How to use Jasper AI to write a blog. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to use Jasper AI to write a blog. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that we need to do is to create an account. So to create an account, what you want to do is just go to the website, which is just jasper.ai, and then just click on start free trial right here. And then now it will ask you to sign up. So it will ask you for your email, and now after that, you will now enter your name. And then there you go. Once you're done entering your name, just click on create account. And then after that, Jasper AI will ask you a couple of questions so that it will customize its experience for you. So it says right here, welcome John. So what industry does your company work in? What size is your company? Your workspace name and your company URL. So just answer these. So I'll just choose some random answers. So let's say technology, 200 and below. And then once you're done, just click on next. And then after that, it will ask you, how do you plan to use Jasper? So it will ask you what is your job level and what is your role. So let's say I'm a manager and let's say my role is, let's say design. And then once you're done, just click on submit. Then after that, it will ask you to choose a plan. So just choose your plan from here. And then after choosing your plan, just input your payment details, and then there you go. So as you can see over here, after inputting my payment details, it now welcomes us to Jasper. So now let us start creating a blog post. So to create a blog post, what you want to do is just hover your mouse to the create content right here, and then just click on that. And then from here, we can either use templates that Jasper AI has, or we can just start off with a new document. So from here, when we create a blog post, it has 4 templates that we can choose. A social media post, 11 templates. We can also create an image by using Jasper AI's art generator. We can also write a product description and a lot more. So for me, I'll just click on create a blog post right here. And then there you go. We have now created a document for our blog post in Jasper AI. So now we can start writing our blog post. So to write a blog post, what you want to do is just go to blog post right here, click on that, and then there you go. So it will ask you your topic. So what is the topic of your post? So below here, you would see like some samples that you could choose. So I'll just choose one from here. So let's say I'll choose this one, the future of remote work, and then my target audience. So just input your target audience from here. And then for me, I'll just use the suggestions. And then once you're done inputting your target audience, just click on next. And then from here, it will ask you what is the outline of your post. So just input the outline of your post here. Or what you can do is just like generate a response by using its AI. And as you can see, it has now generated an outline just for me. And then you can also add more information if you want just by clicking on this. So from here, you can add SEO keywords, some case studies, some custom information, or some knowledge. And then once you're done with all of those, and now you can now generate your blog post. So just click on generate now. But before we click on generate now, there are some settings right here on the top that you can use. So from here, you can change the language of your blog post. You can also change or select a voice. So from here, you can create a brand voice so that Jasper will write in. So once you're done configuring all those settings, we can now generate the blog post. So just click on generate now, and then let's just wait for Jasper to generate our blog post. And then there you go. So as you can see, Jasper already created our blog post for us. So it included everything from our outline right here. So we have and click on outline right here. So we have the introduction. So Jasper included that. Everything from your outline, Jasper will include it. Then if we go on top right here, we can also edit out some details with our blog post. So from here, we can change our text. We can also bold, italicize, or underline words. We can also add bullet points from here, insert a link, and we can add images. So feel free to use these if you want to use these tools. And then if you want to like edit parts in your blog, what you can do is to select on a part of your outline. So let's say the title. And when I click on this plus right here, we can tell Jasper what to write from here. So as you can see over here, we have different kinds of actions that we can ask Jasper to do. So for actions, we have add images, suggestions like discuss the impact on mental health, explore challenges and solutions, share personal remote work experience, and a lot more. So from here, you can just write anything you want related to your blog post, and then Jasper will write it for you if you want to add additional details to your blog post. So let's try to add a sample. So let's try to add one here. So let's say we want to add this one, the discuss on mental health. So let's just do that. And then once you're done inputting your prompt, just click on enter or send to Jasper right here. And then Jasper will start writing it for you. And then there you go. And then let's say we want to expand or lengthen our work. So what you can do is at the end of the paragraph, you would see an arrow right there that says continue writing. So just click on that or just click on Ctrl J on your keyboard, and then Jasper will expand the paragraph that you want to expand on. So I'll just click on this, and then Jasper will start expanding your paragraph. Let's try to expand this one as well. Continue writing, and then there you go. And then to edit out or to edit like details in your paragraph, what you can do is to highlight a part that you want to revise. So let's say I want to revise this part, and then what you can do is just click on Ask Jasper right here, and then from here you can tell Jasper how to edit. So you can improve the writing, change the tone, change the length, repurpose the content, or translate. So let's say I want to improve this writing right here, so I'll just click on that, and then Jasper will start to improve the writing on this paragraph. So as you can see, it has now changed the writing on this paragraph. So if you don't like it, what you can do is to try again, and then Jasper will create another version for you. And then once you're okay with the version that Jasper has made for you, so what you can do now is just click on replace. Or when you click on this arrow right here, you also have some additional options, so you can insert it below this paragraph or copy it. So for me, I'll just replace it. So I'll just click on that, and then there you go. It has now been replaced. So let's try some other features. So again, let's highlight this part. Ask Jasper. So let's say we want to change the tone. So we can change the tone to casual, conversational, engaging, friendly, professional, straightforward, and witty. So let's say I want to change the tone to professional. So I'll just click on that. And then Jasper again will generate text for you. And then once you're okay with this text, just click on replace. But if you don't want this, just click on try again. So I want to replace it. So there you go. It has now been replaced. Again, let's try to cover the others. So I'll just highlight this again. Ask Jasper. So let's try to change the length. Let's say we want to make it longer. You can also summarize it if you want. So for me, I'll just choose make it longer, and then Jasper will start making it longer for you. And then once you're okay with this, just click on replace. Moving on, let's try this one right here. Let's say we want to translate it. So let's say we want to translate to French. So just click on French right there, and then it will be translated into French. And then I'll just click on replace. And then there you go. So next, I'll highlight this, ask Jasper. So let's say we want to repurpose this content. So in here, we have a lot of options that we can do to repurpose this content. So we can repurpose it to a Facebook post, LinkedIn post, list of keywords, meta description, and a lot more. So feel free to experiment with those. And then moving on, I'll be covering the tools right here that you can use in Jasper AI. So when I hover my mouse over here in the tools, as you can see, they have a plagiarism checker right here for your blog post. You can also see your word count from here as well. So as you can see, it has 2,063 words and it is a 10-minute read. So let's try to check this blog post for plagiarism. So I'll just click on that, and then it will check the blog post for plagiarism. Since I'm using the paid version, it is requiring me to pay for the plagiarism checker. So if you're using the paid version already, you will not need to pay for the plagiarism checker. Moving on, I'll be covering this area right here in Jasper AI. So again, we have this create section right here. So this is where we get to create our blog post. Next is we have remix. So we can give Jasper some content so that it can remix it in our blog post. So from here, we can enter a text, upload a file, a URL, or enter your knowledge from here. So just enter your text from here. And then from here, you can tell Jasper what to do with this content. So as an example, it says right here, write a Facebook post summarizing the attached file in a simple and straightforward way. So you can do that. And then next is we have conversations right here. So you can chat with people from here. So it says right here, click the button above to begin creating and exploring new ideas. So I'll just click on that. And then from here, you can ask Jasper anything. So you can create a social media post, help me brainstorm marketing ideas, plan a content calendar, or generate add copy for campaign. So for example, I will use this one, create a social media post, and then Jasper will start creating a social media post for you by analyzing your blog post that you made from here. So yeah, so there you go. So as you can see, it is now, so yeah, there you go. So as you can see, Jasper has created a social media post for you. And then lastly is we have favorites over here. So this is where all of your favorite blog posts or documents that you made will be stored on. So as you can see over here, click the star icon on a template to add it to your favorites. So this is where all of your favorite templates will go to, so you can access it from here anytime you want. So to add something to your favorites, what you can do is just go to the homepage of Jasper AI and then just find a document that you want to add to your favorites. So for example, I'll just use this one. So to add it to favorites, what you want to do is just go to the three dots right here and then just click on add to favorites. You can also rename this, duplicate it, or move it to a campaign or delete it. Moving on is we have my content right here. So this is where we will get to see all of the content that we have made in Jasper AI. And then for the pro versions, you'll get access to their campaigns, to their art, and their knowledge base. And again, you can get to access their chat right here. So again, you can ask Jasper anything from here, so you can create a social media calendar and a lot more. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to use Jasper AI to create a blog post.